Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Solomon here. Please, if you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to look at. Now, those of you who have already been on my channel, I thank you very much for returning. Now, in this video, we are going to look at how to do ranking with positioning in MS Access. As you have seen, I've opened a database on the screen. Now, whether you are working with student grades, sale performances, or any competitive data, ranking with ordinal numbers makes every report readable and then professional. So that is what we are going to look at. So we are going to look at how to add suffix like first, that is first, second, third, the st, nd, and then the rd and th to our rank. So we're going to do that for students, and you can see in the database I've already created a student score with some data. So when you open it, we have student name and then student score. Now let me go to the design view of this. So you can see I have student ID, which is auto. I have student name, which is a short test, and I have a total score, which is number. Okay, so what we are going to do is first we are going to create a query for this total score. So I'll go to create query, create, and then I'll go to query design. I will select my table. I will need all of them, so let's do double click. All right, save. Yes, I will call this query score. Okay, so that is our first query. Let's open it. Yeah, so we have the first query now based on this we are going to use to create the ranking positioning. So I'll have to create another query. So query design. Now I'm going to use the query as a subquery here, which is the query score as a subquery. So I will have to add this, then add all the students here. So we're going to add an expression here. So I'll go to design view and I will say rank. All right, so simple expression we are going to write here. We are going to say plus 1 plus, sorry, 1 plus the count everything. So we are going to count all asterisk from where we look at the table, the table score. We're going to use that TBL scores. Okay. So what is the criteria? The criteria is we have where total scores is greater than ampersand is bracket is greater than the total score in the subquery, which is total score. Okay, close the brackets. All right, so this simple expression is going to give us the ranking based on the student score. So we compare the student score in the table, student table scores. It's st, okay, scores. Let's see here. All right, to that of the total scores we have in the subquery. So let me save this. Let's view it. Oh, there's an error. Okay, design view. What is it? Build. Okay, so we say the count or DBL scores. DBL scores. So we look at its score. All right, so let's save. Let's view. Boom. Okay, so we can see we now have the ranking here. Now let's sort it. Design view. We sort the ranking. descending order. Let me check that. Also, let's use ascending. Let's do ascending. Okay, so you can see that we have first, second, third, fourth, and then when we have tie, both have the same rank, and then the next rank, which is sixth, goes away. Then we have seven, and then 8, 9, 10. Yes, which is perfect. That's what we are looking for. Okay, so now since we have the ranking, we are going to add the positioning. That is where we have our first, second, third, fourth, and so on. So that one too, I'm going to do build. Then I'm going to look at position, and then we have column. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to use switch function to do this. So first I will say switch. I'm going to use my switch function here. Switch. Then I am going to say right, and I will look at, we look at the right of the rank. We have rank. Okay, and we check second, the length is 2. I'll give it a length of 2, and then anytime this is 11, which is exception, or we say right, we look at the rank again. Two, four, four, and we say or, look at right again, look at rank, and look at 2, going to look at 4, 13, or we say rank. Okay, so we have 13, we have 11, 12, 13, which are exception. So we will have comma, then we say rank, and ampersand. This is what we're going to add, th. So no value other than 11, 12, 13, which are exception. That is the last two, the length is 2 at the end of the number to the right. It's either 11, 12, or 13. That will take the th. All right, so we go on to say right, then click rank, then you say 1. With the last, the length is 1, pick length 1, equal 1, sorry, equal 1. Then we say rank, rank, and st. All right, so that is for first. So let me copy the whole of this. Then I'll bring comma and paste. Yes, we have rank 1. If it's 1, then the rank and first. Now here will be 2. We have 1. Okay, so it starts from here. We have 1. Here is 1. So let me make it 2. Okay, here is 3. And that will be R3. Okay, so that will be RD. Then we will say no, that is true. True. No, that is true. Then we say I'm going to add rank again. Other than that, everything and sign we have ch. All right, so let me close my brackets and then let's save. Okay, so let me again. So we say positioning switch, check right, which is a string, but we could perfectly. Let me use my used to be uh, okay. So this one is good. All right, so we check for 11 and 12 and 13, which is exception, and this will take th. Then we check the last length is 1, which is if it is 1, then the rank and then the st. If it is 2, then the rank and nd. And if it is 3, then the rank and rd. All is true. And then if it's not any of this one, then you take th. So that is it. Save. Let's view. RD through. Let me make one this th. Okay, so let's start. Check this one. We have oh, here it should be, yeah, this, let's see, another one, the same problem. Okay, yeah, right, round 2. Oh, same thing here. Okay, so I'm going to, okay, so let's save. Yeah, so I think, yeah, so perfect. So you can see we have been able to add positioning to the numbers, which is very simple. Yeah. Okay, so save. We call it query rank position. All right, so already we have the report to hold that here. So let's look at the position. Okay, let's go to design view. Okay, so I'll go to properties, then I'll go to data and then choose this. All right, so let's view. All right, so we have it here. Okay, very perfect and nice. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you in this tutorial. Please, as I said, do well to share my video, subscribe, click on the notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll get it. Please leave a comment in the comment section for me, and also I'll be leaving the download link in the description, so you do well and check and download this. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.